are they? Where the fuck are they? I don't see them.
There's one. Look, there's one right behind him, and there's a tow truck. See the cop.
Where the fuck's the fire department?
Oh well, they're gonna come later.
Oh, here they go. They're gonna block the entire thing again.
Holy shit! His whole engine's on fire. Look at that smoke.
They're gonna shut the whole bridge down, I think.
No, just those 2 lanes. Yeah, like the cops blocked off the whole area.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Wait, I want to see this. This is so cool. Okay, let me play.
Here it comes. They're probably gonna spray it down. And they have to put out this fire. But it's an oil fire. A gas fire. Holy shit. Wow, most of the lanes are blocked off. I don't think they're letting anyone.
No.
Well, actually, people from Fort Lee are letting in. Holy shit.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah. Look at that.
Are you gonna watch this in bed at night?
Oh, look, that fire engine's hitting the floor. You see that water hitting the floor?
Yeah.
Something must have spilled on the floor.
Oh my god, that thing is done.
Wonder what happened. Look, the cops over here are blocking these lanes off.
Where?
See on the left, they're putting up those cones. They're not letting anyone get on the bridge.
No.
Except for these people. These people are allowed in. Oh, look, they just put it out.
Wow, that was quick. Now I want to see the aftermath.
Yeah, that guy's spraying it.
How many cops do you need? Oh my god.
Damn, it's melted.
Was there anyone in there? Hopefully not.
No, I saw the truck driver run away from it. I think that's him over there.
Oh my god.
Oh, they put that out pretty quick.
Well, it doesn't look like the back's destroyed. It's just the front, right?
Well, yeah, it's just the engine. Like he's spraying in the window. They're still spraying it.
Traffic.
Huh.
Shit, what time is it? I gotta get on my call.
54.
I might as well just take it here.
How long is it?